In the fast-paced world of modern business, efficient billing and accurate revenue recognition are fundamental to maintaining financial health and fostering growth. Zenskar is a cutting-edge software solution tailored to meet these needs, offering a comprehensive platform for subscription-based and service-oriented businesses. For beginners, mastering Zenskar may seem daunting at first, but with this guide, navigating its essential features becomes a straightforward process. Zenskar serves as a powerful tool for automating billing processes, tracking revenue with precision, and ensuring compliance with accounting standards like ASC 606 and IFRS 15. It streamlines operations, minimizes errors, and provides businesses with valuable insights into their financial performance. Key features such as automated invoicing, flexible pricing models, subscription management, real-time revenue tracking, and advanced analytics make Zenskar an indispensable asset for financial management. Getting started with Zenskar begins with setting up your account. To sign up, visit the Zenskar website and create an account by providing basic details such as your email address and company name. Once signed in, setting up your company profile involves filling out crucial information, including your business name, tax ID, billing address, and preferred currency. To enable seamless payment collection, connecting payment gateways like Stripe or PayPal is essential. Additionally, Zenskar allows you to invite team members, promoting collaboration and managing billing and revenue tasks. This Zenskar dashboard acts as a central hub, offering intuitive navigation across sections. The Invoices tab enables users to create, send, and track invoices, while the Subscriptions tab focuses on managing customer subscription and recurring bill. The Revenue section provides tools for monitoring revenue recognition and compliance. And the Reports tab generated detailed financial reports. Customization options are available in the Settings menu, allowing users to tailor the platform to their business needs. One of Zenkar's standout features is its invoicing capability. To create an invoice, navigate to the Invoices tab and click on New Invoice. You can enter customer details, add items or services with their descriptions and prices, and apply taxes or discounts. Before sending, it's vital to preview the invoice to ensure accuracy. Zenskar allows users to send invoices directly via email or download them as PDFs. For subscription-based businesses, automating recurring invoice is a game changer. This feature is accessible through the Subscriptions tab, where you can select a customer, define a billing cycle, set start and end dates, and enable automatic invoice generation. Subscription management is another core aspect of Zenskar. Setting up a subscription plan involves creating a new plan in the Subscriptions section, where you can define a plan name, pricing model, and billing frequency. Active subscriptions are easily managed through the dashboard, allowing businesses to upgrade or downgrade plans, pause or cancel subscriptions, and monitor payment statuses. This level of flexibility ensures that businesses can adapt to their customers' needs seamlessly. Revenue recognition is a critical area where Zenskar excels. Accurate revenue recognition, recording revenue when it is earned rather than when the payment is received, is essential for compliance with standards like ASC 606 and IFRS 15. Zenskar simplifies this process by automating recognition schedules and ensuring compliance. Users can define revenue recognition rules in the Revenue section based on their business model. Whether it's percentage of completion or point in time, once set up, Zenkar's real-time tracking provides a clear picture of revenue trends, projections, and any potential discrepancies. The software analytics and reporting capabilities further enhance its value. Generating financial reports is simple as navigating to the Reports tab, selecting the type of report such as revenue summaries, invoice overviews, or subscription analysis, and customizing parameters like date ranges or customer segments. Reports can be exported in various formats, like including PDF and Excel, making them versatile for sharing with stakeholders. Zenkar's analytics tools empower businesses to identify high-performing products or services, analyze customer payment behaviors, and forecast revenue trends, aiding in strategic decision-making. To maximize the potential of Zenskar, businesses can leverage its integrations with other tools, such as Salesforce for CRM or QuickBooks for accounting. Customizing invoice and email templates to align with your brand ensures a professional appearance, while automation features like payment reminders reduce manual workload. Staying updated with the latest software features and improvement also enhances the overall user experience. Despite its user-friendly interface, users may occasionally encounter challenges while using Zenskar. Despite its user-friendly interface, users may occasionally encounter challenges while using Zenskar. Common issues include invoices not sending, which may require checking email settings or customer details, or payment gateway errors, which can often be resolved by verifying account credentials. Revenue recognition discrepancies might necessitate a review of assigned roles. For any unresolved concerns, Zenskar offers robust support channels, including a comprehensive knowledge base, live chat assistance, and email support. For beginners, mastering Zenskar might initially seem like a challenging endeavor. However, the platform's intuitive design and user-friendly interface make it accessible to users of all experience levels. Tutorials, support documentation, and responsive customer service further enhance the onboarding process, empowering users to quickly familiarize themselves with the software features and functionalities. This foundational understanding is a stepping stone to unlock the full potential of Zenskar as businesses begin to uncover new efficiencies and insights over time. As users delve deeper into Zenskar, they gain access to advanced analytics and reporting tools that provide valuable insights into key financial metrics such as monthly recurring revenue (MRR), churn rates, and customer lifetime value. These insights enable businesses to make data-driven decisions, identify trends, and refine their strategies to optimize financial performance. In conclusion, Zenskar Billing and Revenue Recognition software is more than just a financial management tool. It is a catalyst for growth and innovation. By automating billing processes, managing subscriptions with precision, and ensuring compliance with global accounting standards, Zenskar equips businesses with the tools needed to thrive in a competitive environment. This guide has provided a foundational understanding of Zenkar's core features, enabling beginners to confidently navigate its functionalities and integrate the platform into their operations. As businesses continue to explore Zenkar's capabilities, they will uncover even greater efficiencies and insights, solidifying the software roles as an individual part of their financial management toolkit. Ultimately, Zenskar allows businesses to shift their focus from administrative tasks to strategic initiatives, paving the way of sustained growth, innovation, and success, especially in today's fast-paced business landscape.